Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Just having a relaxing day. Um, what I'm going to be doing is unboxing my um, Amazon box that I received today. I did some ordering on Amazon today. I'm just going to relax. I am an entrepreneur. If you want to know what I'm currently doing, um, be an entrepreneur, you can go to earnwithdon.com. But in front of me, I have some things that's going to help me relax a little bit today. I went to Trader Joe's. I got this Genova Pesto. It's right here. With that, I have some classic original water crackers. I don't have any links for you to buy any of these things. But I do have a link for the business opportunity that I'm promoting, of course. But today I'm unboxing some items that I purchased on Amazon. That, hey, everything's on Amazon. But it's in front of me. I have some blueberry goat cheese. It's blueberry vanilla goat cheese. I'll be eating it with the crackers. Got some seedless grapes. Mmm. I don't drink so much beer, but today I got some Stella. Okay. Eat a piece of this blueberry and goat cheese. Just do it like that. The other one will probably be some pesto. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'll be safe with this knife as I'm unboxing my items. So the first item is some personal protection. I'll unbox it. By Viper Tech. Okay. Now what this is, got some instructions there. This is a stun gun. You might ask, why do you need a stun gun? Well, I'm not going to go into the community with the stun gun. I'm just going to keep it in my house. If I need it, it's here. But this is what it looks like. Got some other features with it where you can charge it and all that good stuff. So I'll put it in the box. Take care of these things later. Get it charged up. All those good things. Okay. That's the first item that I bought. Inexpensive. If you want to know how much it costs, you can go to Amazon and get the price for that. So I'll put that back in the box. Put it to the side. And then I'm just going to crack open this good quality beer, right? Okay, next item we have, this is called a decanter. I'll open this up. Okay. Bring it to the side. Now this is something more for guests that comes over. I don't drink this stuff, but I do have guests that comes over and they drink whiskey. Bulky and heavy. Okay, almost got it. So I'll pick those up. Sorry about that. This is live events. So, let's see what we have. Got some. Ooh, okay. So let me show what the box looks like. Okay. That is the Aberdeen Oak liquor decanter set. And with the set, this is what it looks like in the box. Okay. We'll take off that. Have some booklets in here. Cocktail recipe book. Comes with a cocktail recipe book. Got some other additional information. Aberdeen Oak. Okay. So you'll put your whiskey here. Has the lid. And then you got some tongs for those balls here. And then it comes with a glass set and some other good items. So that's that. We'll put these booklets back. And then another thing is, I got some for the kitchen. I enjoy cooking. And one of the things I like to do is cook with a cast iron skillet. Okay. And so I bought a cast iron skillet. And this is 12.5 inches. We're going to open this up. Okay, here we are. All that struggle. This better be a good one. Wow, the package is really good. Oh wow. So this is actually a pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. And this is what it looks like. Okay. 12.5 inches. This is pre-seasoned. Very heavy. Wow. That's a cast iron skillet. So I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. One of the things that I do, I'm an entrepreneur. I work from home. I provide business funding to business owners who are looking to expand their business, hire new staff, or whatever they're trying to do to push their business forward. And some business owners are going to their banks and trying to get a loan for whatever it is they need for their business. Good pesto. And most of the time they're denied. Or they need to have good credit score, some collateral, and other items that will get them qualified for a business loan. Well, I apologize for smacking. But what we provide is business funding. What have the business been, what have the revenue of the business have been doing for the past 3 months of their application? And we can get them funded based off of, business owner must have a 500 credit score. The business must be, or the business checking account must be in the business name. And it's a free online application. You can find that at bestratefunds.com. And you'll be able to take a look at some of the things that we offer in addition to business funding. We also have what's called gig worker funding. It's not available in California or New York, but all the other states it is available. These are paid advances for, like your Lyft driver, Uber driver, or your entrepreneurs who have a personal checking account. They make at least $3,000 per month, and that gig that they're in, whether it be a Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, any of those type of jobs, you can get qualified based if you meet the minimum criteria. You can go to gigworkersmatter.com. So gig workers with an S at the end of workers, gigworkersmatter.com, and you can apply online. You can get up to from $400 to $25,000 the same day. Now, just because you say I want $25,000, you may not qualify for that. It's based off of you, the gig worker, how much you made within the past 3 months. Minimum is $3,000 per month for the past 3 months. If you make more than that, you can get a little bit more funding. This is a pay advance on what you're currently earning. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Today is one of those relaxing days. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we will be up to date with everything else. Thank you. Have a good day.